Are you exhausted from burning through your daily tokens just to get one perfect image? What happens when your agency, your YouTube channel, or your print-on-demand business doesn't need just one masterpiece, but needs 100 highly consistent, production-ready assets every single day? Welcome back to AI Tech, the channel where we engineer the future of digital wealth and AI automation. Today we are settling the ultimate debate of 2026. We are putting the two absolute titans of generative AI head-to-head, OpenArt and Leonardo AI. Most reviews online treat these platforms like toys, comparing single generations of cute cyber cats. But we are not playing games today. We are looking at this from the perspective of a high-volume creator. If you are building automated workflows, running massive affiliate campaigns, or producing daily viral content, your requirements are entirely different. You need speed, you need absolute visual consistency, and most importantly, you need a frictionless pipeline that doesn't break your bank account. In this ultimate comparison, we will break down the efficiency battle, the visual supremacy metrics, and the reality of asset automation. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which platform deserves your subscription money and why one of these tools is secretly the only AI creator studio you will ever need to dominate your niche. Let's dive into the ultimate clash. When you scale your digital production, the biggest bottleneck is no longer the generation itself. It is the workflow. Let's talk about the efficiency battle. Leonardo AI has long been praised for its beautiful dark mode interface and its robust canvas. When you log into Leonardo, you are greeted by an artistic powerhouse. Creating a stunning image from a base prompt feels intuitive. However, when you shift from creating single pieces of art to a high-volume production mindset, the cracks begin to show. Jumping between their image generation page, their real-time canvas, and their universal upscaler can feel disjointed when you have a batch of 50 assets to process. Enter OpenArt. OpenArt isn't just an image generator, it is explicitly designed as a comprehensive AI creator studio. The efficiency here is staggering. When you generate a batch of images in OpenArt, the post-production tools are immediately accessible within the exact same frictionless ecosystem. Imagine this workflow. You generate 20 variations of a futuristic cityscape for a video project. With Leonardo, removing backgrounds, in-painting specific errors, and upscaling requires multiple steps and token transactions. With OpenArt, the Magic Edit suite is integrated directly into the viewing pane. You can seamlessly erase a stray object, replace a background, upscale to 4K, and export, all in a fraction of the time. For high-volume creators, every click you save translates to higher profit margins. OpenArt drastically reduces the friction between generation and final usable asset. It functions less like a slot machine for art and more like an automated digital assembly line tailored for professional marketers and content creators. But workflow means nothing if the visual output isn't top tier. Let's evaluate visual supremacy. Leonardo AI is famous for its proprietary fine-tuned models, like Leonardo Phoenix and Vision XL. Out of the box, Leonardo delivers breathtaking, highly stylized artistic outputs. If you want high fantasy, hyper-detailed conceptual art, Leonardo is incredibly hard to beat. It naturally leans towards a heavily processed, deeply aesthetic look. However, in the world of high-volume digital asset creation, whether you are making a 10-minute faceless documentary or a 50-page graphic novel, the ultimate currency is not just beauty, it is consistency. This is where OpenArt fundamentally outmaneuvers its competition. OpenArt provides unparalleled access to director tools and advanced ControlNet integrations without requiring a degree in prompt engineering. When you need a specific character to appear across 50 different scenes wearing the exact same outfit, OpenArt's character reference and style reference features lock in the visual identity with frightening precision. You can upload a base image of your digital avatar, and OpenArt will seamlessly map that exact face onto any environment, maintaining the lighting, the depth, and the precise facial structure. While Leonardo allows for style consistency, achieving strict character consistency at scale often requires tedious seed manipulation and prompt tweaking. Furthermore, OpenArt aggregates a massive library of custom SDXL models directly from the community. You are not locked into one company's aesthetic vision. You can instantly switch from a photorealistic 35mm film model to a flat vector illustration model with one click. For a creator needing to produce an entire suite of assets, from YouTube thumbnails to website graphics and video B-roll, OpenArt provides the absolute visual supremacy required for total brand consistency. Scaling up means leveraging automation, and the prompt ecosystem of a platform determines how easily you can scale. Leonardo AI utilizes an excellent prompt generation feature, helping you flesh out basic ideas into complex paragraphs. It is highly effective for breaking through creative blocks. But when you are producing assets at scale, you don't want to rely on inspiration. You want to rely on systems. OpenArt has built an absolute fortress of an ecosystem around prompt engineering. They offer one of the most comprehensive, searchable prompt books and community libraries on the internet. But more importantly, their platform is designed for iteration. If you are running A/B tests for Facebook ads or YouTube thumbnails, OpenArt allows you to run iterative batches with microscopic variations effortlessly. You can lock in a base prompt and systematically alter one variable, like the lighting angle or the subject's expression, generating a massive grid of highly targeted assets. Additionally, for creators leveraging external automation tools, OpenArt's structured approach to saving custom workflows and model combinations means you can build a personal recipe for your brand. Once you find the exact combination of negative prompts, base models, and style weights that perfectly represents your channel, you save it. The next time you need 50 assets, you aren't starting from scratch. You are triggering your established automated visual pipeline. It is the definition of working smarter, not harder. Finally, we have to talk about the bottom line: commercial scalability and pricing. Both platforms operate on a credit or token system. Leonardo AI can be surprisingly resource-intensive. Because its proprietary models are so heavy, experimenting to get the perfect shot can burn through your daily token allowance incredibly fast. If you are doing high-volume work, you will find yourself constantly hitting paywalls or needing to upgrade to higher, more expensive tiers just to maintain your production speed. OpenArt, on the other hand, provides a highly predictable and incredibly generous token economy for creators. Because it acts as an aggregated studio utilizing various open source and premium models, the cost per generation is optimized. Your subscription dollars simply stretch significantly further. You have the freedom to iterate, make mistakes, and generate in massive batches without the constant anxiety of a depleting token balance hovering over your head. The final verdict: if you are an occasional artist looking to generate a few breathtaking concept pieces a week, Leonardo AI is a phenomenal tool. But if you are a professional creator, an agency owner, or a YouTube automation expert who treats their channel like a digital enterprise, if you need to produce high-volume, hyper-consistent, and commercially viable digital assets without breaking your workflow, OpenArt is the undisputed champion. It is the only AI creator studio that truly bridges the gap between raw generation and a finished, automated production pipeline. Stop jumping between 5 different subscriptions just to finish one project. It is time to consolidate your workflow and dramatically scale your output. I have placed a direct link to OpenArt in the description below and pinned it in the top comment. Click that link right now to unlock your ultimate AI creator studio and start building your high-volume automated empire today. If this ultimate breakdown saved you hours of frustration and helped you optimize your digital business, hit that like button and absolutely destroy the subscribe button for AMMAAI Tech. We are bringing you the absolute bleeding edge of AI automation every single week. Optimize your workflow, dominate your niche, and I will see you in the next masterclass.